January 1st, 2026. I can't believe it. I just wanted to hop on really quickly to say Happy New Year. I hope you and your families have a wonderful, happy, healthy, best ever 2026. I jotted down some thoughts I wanted to read to you really quickly. I just wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything. So for me, health means a lot more than just feeling good day to day. It's about being able to get outside, put in the miles, climb trees, process your own food, pretty much keep doing the things that you love for as long as you can. This past year was a reminder that none of this is guaranteed. I mentioned on a few of my other videos, I missed almost a whole month of November hunting for personal reasons. Life gets busy, things come up, and sometimes we forget to slow down and take care of ourselves. So heading into 2026, my hope for us is simple. Take care of your body, take care of your mind, and take care of the people around you. Super important. Get outside when you can, move a little bit more, eat well, rest when you need to, and don't take for granted the days we're able to lace up our boots, put on our hunting gear, and get out into the woods. I'm grateful for everyone who's watched, commented, shared my videos, or just followed along this year. The channel has always been about more than hunting. It's about doing something that I love and sharing it with you. So here's to a healthy 2026, more time outdoors, more good meals shared with family and friends, and more moments we don't rush past. If you're sticking around, I appreciate you. If you just found the channel, welcome. I'm really looking forward to continuing to share with you the things that I love doing. Take care of yourself, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.